Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials and acting immediately. Identify your important folders, documents, desktop, browser profiles, and note sizes so you know space needs. Plug in an external drive or sign into cloud storage. Choose the fastest, reliable option. Once done, create a folder structure for organized copying. Make sure to enable Hidden Files view for app data. This captures settings you want restored. Don't delay. Backing up now prevents lost time later and gives you a clean restore path. You now execute the detailed steps. If you copy manually, preserve original folder structure and verify file counts. Alternatively, run file history or a disk imaging tool to capture system state. Export browser bookmarks and email archives. These aren't always in documents, so you can import later. Once the image or copy finishes, verify by opening a few key files. If your tool offers checksums or verification, use it to ensure integrity. This prevents surprises when you restore. You finish by validating and securing what you saved. Open several files from your backup and restore one profile or document to confirm everything works. Label and encrypt external drives or set cloud permissions. Write down any passwords needed for relogin. Once satisfied, proceed with the factory reset. If something goes wrong, copy fails or files are corrupt, stop, run disk checks on both drives, retry the copy, or switch to a different medium before wiping your PC to avoid permanent loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.